Because my mother pretty and young. My mother look better than Yannick and my mother older than Yannick. My mother older than Yannick and she look better than Yannick. Yannick look like a tough. All kind of contact lens there and makeup. Yannick no come on live unless he put on makeup. My mother no wear makeup. Yannick have to put on makeup before he come on live. And Yannick is a young girl. Young, you like you're 40, Yannick. People, no comment and tell me mother how much. Or no comment on the live and tell me mother how much. What age my mother look like to. I'm going to tell you. And no comment and tell me. My mother how much. 22, 18, 20, 27. Alright, the people may say 40 at that age. My mother 40. 40-year-old. 40-year-old. My mother 40-year-old. I go 41. No, 41, one of them. 40 or 41. And my mother look like she at 23. Yannick, tell me Yannick how much? I'll tell Yannick how much? Yannick how much? Yannick look like him how much? 80. My 33. My 33. I look like him at 80. Yannick, if I look by you, look like I'm a fuck out big man. Fuck out big man. If I see how we say fuck out big man. Yannick, if I see how we say fuck out big man. Fuck out big man. Yannick, if I see how we say fuck out big man. Fuck out big man. Fuck out big man, my trash. If I see Yannick, we see everything that's bad. If I say Yannick, we see everything that's bad. People, when you comment things them when you see Yannick come to the head. When you comment, I want to help bring him down. I want to help me bring him down. And me and I bring him down together. Me and Ingal. Me and I bring down fish dog together and Ingal. When you comment and tell me what I want to say when I look at Yannick. Mr. Bean, barfly, dog shit, mattrash, battery dolly, cat, mockers, pitbull, cat, Mr. Bean wife, red hands, barfly, mockers, garbage truck, Squidward, West, mockers, barfly, cat, hag, hungry, bumbuckler, you know, easy now, people, easy now. Fuck shop, bumbuckler, I want the bad. Popeye, bumbuckler, what is pitbull, zuck, calm down now, done now, people, done. Infection, incestling, yo, easy now, people, done now, done and no man, people, oh God. We now have to bring her done, someone. Because we now going to make second world dog to bring her done still. Because we have to ease her a little bit. Because not what that's that top one in there with careless man. Now, first thing, when world dog run me file, you know what you going to hear say? World dog, when I run me file, you know what I'm going to tell you when world dog hear about me when he run me file. Bad man, money man. That all he can hear, nothing else. I send up on TikTok a cuss. You can't hear nothing else about my name. Batty boy. President. You can't hear nothing about my name. I can't be sure about that. No boy can't talk nothing bad about trading me do. Say me a trader. Say a trading me do. Yeah, world dog, when you hear about and comment when you hear about world dog. Comment everything when you hear about a mix up. That's all you can hear about me. Yes, I'm a mix up. I'm a hypocrite. I'm a celebrity, yeah. And a good thing me tell you say me a hypocrite. A good thing me tell you say me a hypocrite for now, so you can know. Yeah. So I look on world dog now. When you hear about fish dog, go on here. Comment. Comment everything when you hear about fish dog. 911. Bowcat. Informer, thief. Liar. When you comment now, man, you put in the comment depths, cops, informer, barrel thief, bumbuckler, no comment. When you comment Wally, when you spam it, friend killer, Miramar Parkway, hero, bowcat, sprat, 911, I got shot, sacrifice, friend killer, troublemaker, shit, capper, Florida shit, jazz washer, 911, barrel, sprat, menace, horse broker, bumbuckler, mattrash, pick up mattrash, beggar, I got shot. Yo, me go end me bum buckle. Me don't know. Me don't end me life. Look how more people. Me not do this with you.